Whale watching season is here. This year, a new AI tool is helping government and tourists identify individual humpback whales using only a photograph of their tail. The CBC's Malone Mullen reports.
Wildlife photographer Alick Tsui is used to being up close and personal with humpback whales.
We're gonna get his tail.
For 20 years, he's been taking their portraits. Now he can use AI to figure out whether this pod is one he's seen before.
I took a lot of whale tail pictures, but I didn't know, you could find out the story. And what shocked me was, now you know that there's a name to the whale, which is surprising.
Tsui has been sending his photos to Newfoundland and Labrador's new online whale diary, Hello Humpback. It's a website spearheaded by the province's tourism department, which says it's not like any other campaign they know of in the world. The program uses artificial intelligence to hone in on the unique markings on a whale's tail, its fluke, to identify individual animals. Just from a photo of a fluke, the AI model can figure out who this whale is, where it's been, and when. But it also goes a step further and actually generates a story about each whale, even, as Tsui said, giving it a name. It's a timely effort. As the climate changes, tourism operators are seeing whales coming to visit these waters earlier.
The capeland that they feed on is really temperature dependent for their spawning. So with bigger shifts, we'll start to see bigger changes with humpback whale migrations.
Although it's only a month old, the tourism minister says Hello Humpback is already helping track the whales.
We've had 150,000 visitors, and we've actually had 3 new whales identified.
Whale lovers on this tour say they're keen to help the cause.
It's important that we do whatever we can to track, see what they're doing, what's happening with them.
Tsui says the project helps him get a tiny bit closer to these giant creatures.
It's just like fingerprints, face recognition, it just recognizes the whale easier. To me, it helps me to know more about the whale, where they have been from, and how long has they been away from Newfoundland.
Making his passion for capturing wildlife and photos that much more meaningful. Malone Mullen, CBC News, Bay Bulls, Newfoundland.